This chart is for Euro New Zealand, and for H for chart in time. In this chart, we are thinking that this is W pattern. Here it is neckline. So this is the W pattern. It's the neckline. This is the W pattern. It's the neckline. So market can go here and come after breaking. Then we can making here a buy stop buy. From here we can make buy because this market is uptrend. 200 EMA below the current market. That means market is uptrend. From this uptrend market, according to W pattern, we can make here a buy. On the other scenario is here. This is the trend line. It's another trend line. Pull bullish flag. From this bullish flag, we can expect that market will come here. Market will come here, and from here we can make a buy. When making some bullish candle, so we can make here buy according to bullish flag, as well as we can make here a buy. Market go here and come back here, then again go here, so we can make here also a buy according to bullish flag. So according to W pattern or bullish flag, we can make here buy, and we also can wait for here for making from here a buy. So now just we need to wait to make a buy from here, from H4 chart also.